Until now, adding automation to your production line could be an expensive exercise, but our new Generate Plus systems changes all that. Our systems aren't designed for one fit-for-all purposes. A level of customization can be designed, ensuring they integrate seamlessly into any existing production line. A snapshot into our customizable modular systems include seasoning, weigh-fill pack, and vertical packaging. Like all Enmin modular components, these products have been designed to be extended or modified easily as your production needs evolve. Our highly experienced sales technicians will review your specific needs and provide a solution that will maximize your production line productivity.